Welcome to Aidehub AI, where we're revolutionizing CRM with AI technology. Our fully functional dashboard gives you a complete summary of your students at a glance. Easily view your entire student portfolio and application statuses in one place. Manage new leads with instant access to their contact details and interests. Open full student profiles to see documents, messages, and progress all in one spot. Upload and organize all student documents securely in our platform. With our Course Finder AI, discover the best courses and colleges tailored for each student. Receive real-time alerts to stay updated on important changes. Run AI eligibility checks and apply to courses by chatting with our AI assistant. Customizable as per your requirements. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started.